Hey everyone, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Deus Ex Human Revolution on Linux. So to start off, you need to enable Steam Play, and you can do that by clicking on Steam, followed by Settings, Steam Play, and then just enable Steam Play for all titles. Once you do that, you can click OK, and then you need to purchase the game if you don't have it already. And once you've purchased it, look for it in your Steam library like so. I am a huge fan of the Deus Ex franchise, so I have it and I have had it for a long time. I've spent 48 hours on the game. From here, I can just click the install button, and I'm going to install it to my Steam folder. Click I agree to let it download. It will take very little time, as you can see here. It also has to download the Steam Common distributable, but it shouldn't take too long at all to get it set up. When the download is complete, you can just click the play button here, or you can go to your library and click play on it. And once you do click play, it's going to prepare to launch it. Now what this means is it's going to set it up as if it were Windows. So it's going to use the Steam Play compatibility tool, do some configuration, install some drivers, and some programs that it might need, like DirectX and such. After it's done processing, you're going to see a setup menu here. Just click OK. It should automatically detect your stuff. If you want to go through and configure the graphics, you set it to high. Normally I would set it to high, but we're also recording, so I'm just going to click OK. And once I click OK, the game will start up. There is no other configuration necessary. It runs very well. One of my all-time favorite games, by the way, and you should definitely check it out. But it does work. The menu system loads and the game plays very well. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely check this game out, though. I'm gonna load it up really quick just to show you guys that it does work. And it's a really good game. I really enjoy it. I've beaten it many times. But let's see here. So yeah, it does work. The little bit of lag you're seeing is because it needs to process the Vulkan shaders, all of the converted shaders from DirectX to Vulkan for Linux. Once it processes it, though, it runs pretty well. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.